All right, so again, today we are working on complementary and supplementary. Quick reminder, complementary, let's see if I can move it back now. Complementary is when you have two angles and that they equal 90 degrees. Supplementary is when you have two angles and they equal 180 degrees. So even though we can't visually see these two angles, this angle and this angle together, we know we can add the two angles, and if it equals 90, it would be complementary. If it equals 180, it would be supplementary, and if it equals something different, it would be neither. So what I would go ahead and do is take 135 plus the 45. Oh, I get 180. So what is the answer to this problem? What would the answer be?
Supplementary.
Yep, because it is 180. This is supplementary, and we write out the whole word. And we can spell it correctly too because it's written right up there. Next, number 2. Are those two angles complementary, supplementary, or neither? Because they're not already pushed together, sometimes we have to add them. So 23 plus 67 gives me 90. So what would number 2 be?
Complementary.
Very good. So complementary because the two angles added together equal 90 degrees. Now, what if by chance, hold on one second. What if by chance this would have been, say, 24? And I added it up, I got 91. What would my answer have been? Yeah.
Neither.
Nicely done, neither. All right, moving on to number 3. Stop. What you need to do is solve for x. To determine how to solve for x is you want to decide what are these two angles together, what do they equal? Yeah. 180, because, and she knew this because they are a straight line, and in a straight line it's 180. So you would end up solving this as saying if you add these two together, they're adjacent angles, 3x plus 45 equals 180. We are going to subtract the 45 from both sides, and end up with 3x equals, and what would you end up with there? Yep.
135.
Yep, so 135. Then what do? How do I solve for x now? Yeah.
Divide by 3.
Yep. Divide by 3. Divide by 3. Cancel.
45.
Next time raise your hand, but yes, 45. X equals 45. All right. Any questions?